Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I made the gear movement for the B-25. So the first thing I had to do when I finished the nacelle, I had to open a big hole into them because I had to operate inside them. I attached two reinforcements here and here. They are made from 1 cm by 1 cm wood, and onto them I've glued a piece of 2.5 mm wood laminate, as you can see there. To this laminate I've attached the gear. The gear is attached to another piece of wood, and the piece of wood with the gear is screwed into the wood above. I've chosen to mount two plates of wood because I didn't know what the best position was to attach the landing gear. As you can see, there are a lot of holes, and that's because I had to make a little trial and error procedure in order to achieve the best position for the gear. So for the door movement I used these hinges right here. They are from Hobby King, and they work very well because they permit you to open the door like the real one. So for the door movement I used a stringer right here that takes the door open. No matter what position they are, they will always be towed to the open position. For closing the door I used the steel wire from pull system. I choose that because it's easier to get a good length when you want to close your doors. For the front gear it's almost the same procedure. I used the reinforcement wood here and also in the front, and I screwed the wood panel into the wood. So the door on the front is a little bit different from the doors for the motor nacelle, and that's because the fuselage is made from styrofoam, and it's fairly thick. I have almost 1 cm of thickness, so I had to cut it down and sand it to about 2 mm and reinforce it with a string of balsa. The only thing that is different from the motor nacelle is that the hinges are only on one side, and the door opens, it's only one and not two. So I had to attach a little hook there, and because for the stringer to open the door. Okay, so here's a little demonstration on how it all works. Let's flick the switch. So as you can see, everything works very well, and I'm very satisfied with it because that's the first time I've made a system like that. And if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have more questions, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time. Bye.